to some or the hotel baby, Jana Cote baby, or Beffy, Jana Manico. Ye shaman toko so be abeka say or no ye Jana Manico to no so ye. But effect no way society is so no a so on political.
I was insulting, I wasn't threatening. And there's nowhere in the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana say, so our phone say Bini bag, me do whatever you can take me on in court as a criminal. Wait.
Buziafonya Michelle Bibia. Me dindi no go artist. Aha, Eii Asem TV. Mesra se obe subscribe to the channel no. Ne fa wa dwen chere bra e wo comment section ya Michelle Bibia. Abuziafo Kelvin Taylor asaka ne ho biom. Kelvin Taylor. Wasaka ne ho biom enya sem ketwa. What the threats ama UTV owner ye papa Father Dixon any despite. Or see se omo nim na se Oma san kanasem ni radio stations and I said the TV station bioma the odi be ye omo no or say Kelvin Taylor na kasem you Kelvin Taylor na ya kan say mo so papa we so sa ya so akola we so sa e see the baby odo no because President John Dramani Mahama aman free will. Is ya man free will. Abusiafo yanko na yanko tie di okaye. O say ono wan treti obia na ya keke no yae. Yanko na yanko tie bra.
To some or the hotel baby, Jana Cote baby, or Beffy, Jana Manico. Ye shaman toko so be abeka say or no ye Jana Manico to no so ye. But effect no way society is so no a so on political. It
in some way na a man we yes your friend no nana ya kunedu. Now MPP Mwabi and I got 13 president. MPP Mwa criminals and I got 13 presidents so umbeku president. Umbecha president yiriti. And we a threat. And a threat on the life of the president and his wife. And they said it on social media. And all these people are over 18 years. Now, sir, girl, we are na phone say a bini bag. Na phone say a bini bag. Abetina radio say, Eya brantia me didi obiata me besa bibusa girl we are na phone say a bini bag say. Da ben na metina radio so didi or no natem. Na ninsam kikan mu no o say me ba Ghana no e na omo gya me ma me kɔ ya sign me ti ma me kɔ se wo ya santini a utua dua na wo ya oba a ondwunso mfa konkom na ondwunso fa wase na wanum enye tan se wase a wana mu na gya ma me kɔ ye ada obi frame kɔ share dem no ka se me nkɔ kwasiaba obi frame me ba Ghana I entered the Supreme Court. And I called to phone the ruling and the judgment is out. You calling yourself a journalist, go and read it. Was there any threat in that case at Edimiko P court? No? Was there a threat in it? Why wa funu say bini bag? When num tantan say wasi abu funu. There's threats and there's insult. Me fa plain. About Ghana for lawyers, Ekojina Supreme Court, at the respect my court no. Ono kwasi ati P7 kase, and omuja me ma me koye. Now,
all right, so for some more, this is Kelvin Taylor. Or see, or no, he has never threatened Obia Ukromasi. Kelvin Taylor now, what catch ya shantini say, obe chanity. Kelvin Taylor we, or see, obe chanity. Kelvin Taylor we na capture despite media say o man she ya o no obe to eja obe smart boys no ma to eja to studio no but Kelvin Taylor we o say he has never threatened Obia until ono de ya no to me ya until say wo ye Ghana ni obetuma ya president obetuma yo bia na Obia nya o hwe abusiafo mayen konto aso na ntie dia Kelvin Taylor was sharing the yire kitchen. Okay, you continue, bra. Ya me sra bibia.
I would tip any Supreme Court no. Why na woka asa santikasa na kyerɛ no? Wafunu sɛ ebini bag size B. Why na oja me ma me koye? Do you know how much I spent on legal fees to get a lawyer to represent me in the Supreme Court of Ghana? So, if you don't respect the Supreme Court, now why do you know Jimmy na wenum tantan sa waseno? Sanka onim nyansa sanka obe ready a judgment no. Ebusa won say e dey na Kelvin copy court. I was insulting, I wasn't threatening. And there's nowhere in the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana say, "So I was funu say bini bag, me do whatever you can take me on in court as a criminal." Where Jimmy? Canada Japan. Eka se medina tem, one from court to America. He came to court. And I'm a when no tantansa was say, a buofunu, wafunu say bini bag. Canada Japan by America, one from court. Did I come to court? I represented in court. My lawyer, I represented, me spending over $200,000 to face Canada Japan in court. Kwasia, where Juma we are board jantra, when new kalas no, $200,000 da. I met Kennedy in court because Kennedy said me dinner tem. Mention Kennedy in court. Do you know how much money I spent? Mete America and a judge be say makase tiano. One kase ma threaten the life. Or say makase tia case or tiso. Your friend Supreme Court. Me ankasa na me fa me plane ticket, try me first class ticket. Me ne me yere member over $40,000. Kwasia. And I me ba Ghana. And I me fa lawyer 6. And I me rush Supreme Court. And I'm making me case, mommy. And at the Supreme Court, in their own wisdom and respect, they listened to my argument and said, yes, he can walk. Because judge in the decision no take it was wrong. Why when you bagaya say, Ponkwa ya say, Ado kwasia betraona, a brante ne jar man koye no. Why ne jar me mame koye? Huh? Why na wa Ghana o jar me mame koye se menko? Munya munkwasia politics na mo ya. And I want to set record. This on record. So what Ghana now see me do atem. You want to sue me? You have every right to sue me. For 8 years, mini abema wafunu say bini bag for 8 years. Wafunu sa santifo bentwa. Wafunu sa santifo bentwa. Kwasia for 8 years. So obi say me dinatem etiamra ade ni pana from Anko Court. For 8 good years, unkwasia party no power no. So obi say me dinatem na so ohwe se me bu Ghana mraso a ade na sandi pana amfa manko gina court say me dinatem na enkwasiafo we jimi a deal with their matter. What has it got to do with me? Ade me ba Ghana no obi di me ko gina office bi no ka say me ne obi na hye dem yesi me nko kwasiaba umbu court no unnim nyansa judgment me de ma o redi kwa wonte ase ade abodi peace FM o say journalism kwasifo ade na modi peace FM na mo ye no o say journalism. Say, yes, you can we, and a woman, Omobayano, and a pay, and the association say, wait, Sanquas, I didn't journalism. So every piece of a yes, no, or what agents, huh? I didn't know my. Huh? Obe chance a brand here now, and no buy no, and no quantity, a buffunu, maybe brana, bojantra, bantama. Miss so, maybe brana, quasiabana, bojantra, bantama. Massa, some would Jimmy no. Monquasiadena, abesimuso. Bo party free power na munyina madane mwa na mo kasa Jimmy mu no. Don't try me. Enya se memo akoma bontem. He, ubetuma betena sa de kankan na mutim se peace FM no. Abaye ho se wonte. Memo akoma bom na ate. We Jimmy. Emrante ne mama what social media say, omubeku president. Omubeku president. Omubetwa ne yiriti. Nana do dan kwaku for a sentence obi. Just sentence somebody just to allegedly say or plan say obey ku ye ko hu kitchen knife ne asoni ade na na kufu ado ejeli nkofo for life kwasia hotena radios wan kasa mesi wanum tantan say wase aboa why wafunu say ebini bag size B abetena say dey and na brantie na kwame that's why don't hold on sika anje he kwame that's why with all due respect me when I activate dey bia meka me I don't go. I go for the baby moja ni free. So one kasanchira won twi na omgu na. I will not go after them. I will come after you. Yeah. Kweku otin, kobusa kweku otin. Me sa unkwasi afo omgu peace FM no. If you don't speak to them. Na nanu dan kweku foro. Ye ka say obi di kitchen knife aso ene a bentwa ekufo de kase amfa nkotum for life. Kwasi aba we not peace FM or demonstration. Mon kwasi ade na mo de radio so no me. I'm not going to warn atichide aba we. I am going to send my message to Kwame Despite. Massa, una otua ne ka. Me besa me tia koma no, baby amoja no kone de emfa me ho. So you have to talk to your pigs, Peace FM, because me menia so na me namo. Sa de we, me see so ya me journalism, me mbo ni din da, me nimu ni mpo. I don't know this piece of shit. Me ni mba mo ho tia mo kasa nyansem, and I will never disrespect oba onimu nyansa. San kwasiafo e de omo kwasiasem. Na some more address them. I came to Ghana, I went to court, I hired lawyers, I dealt with the matter, I was in the Supreme Court, I showed the court respect. So be say me maka asem na me di na tem no ontiasia. There's still the court there. 8 years. Ade na nkwasiafo manko court. So obi di obi atem na say eye boni ade na wanko court. Mo jimi ohun. Mo hu fi na mo di gugu Ghana hodo no. Mukoko sa mu vocational school wie na yesi mo dia mo voice pa na okodu nkan a Kwame that's why bebo mo akota radio so me enya me nchiri na mo de besa nkwasese no beba wo enya me dan achi e na wo de waforo na yesi bini bag na size B na 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 Ghana wonum tantan say wase abuofunu. Come and retract that statement. Do you know I can even take you on? Wana mo ne ja me ma me koye, wana mo ne ja me ma me koye. Who are you referring to? Won tia santin chen obi a o. Wonum na tan a enchese wonim nyansa chen obi a. Omo mo ma me koye na hwana mo ne ja me ma me koye. Be church akasa nim. Do you respect the court? Such a filthy dirty thing. My mu hu fi na mo na nam Ghana ho. Huh? Why are you referring me to a matter that does not concern me? Omo mo kika sansem no. Kwame Despite. So one hwe ya o ship house no. Ghana for you be twaja tum. Because momo misinformation and adada mo de dada Ghana for and then they abo Ghana for what you tuo. So we are watching so the unkwasi radio no unkurasi radio ni TV no. They are mo from 2009. Edi di atamel satam sa de be si opuni so edi be si John Mahama so sa mo nkwasi ade na mo ye no sa mo kwaso a be twaja to UTV nim. Kwame that's right. Obana okoto examination